Hi, this is Nitin from TechCaesar. Today I recorded this video to showcase that how users and roles work in the Business Manager. If you have seen my previous video about the account manager, that is a central place to create an internal user. So if let's say a developer join or person join and you want to give him Business Manager access, so you need to create his user in the account manager. There is no way to create a user in Business Manager. Once that account is created, now you need to decide two things. One of the two things. One, do you want to give him admin access for a given sandbox, or you want to give him a non-admin access? If you want to give him an admin access, it means that that person will have a full access for a given sandbox. Then that's also being done in the account manager. So, but if you want to give a non-admin access, then there are few additional things which you need to do. And the first thing what you need to do, that give the non-admin access in the account manager, and then you need to ask that person to log in into the sandbox. Because once you will create his user and give him a non-admin access, that person will give a will get an email, and then that person will be able to log in into the business manager by using the account manager credentials. Once he will be able to log in into the account manager credential, his user will automatically created into the business manager. So if you are in admin organization and users area, you will see all the users who have been logged in into the business manager. So if you are admin or non-admin, it is recording, it is creating that user for all the logged in users. Now if you are a non-admin, if you are admin, uh, right, if you have admin permission, then you will start seeing the full menu. But if you are non-admin, then you will not see anything under the mercantile tool and the administration area. You will see it blank. Which means that you have a non-admin access, and someone need to give you the additional permission so that you can access only those area into the business manager. So so as I said, that that person need to log in into the business manager first, because he or she need to be displayed here. And then once I will click on this name, it will ask me to associate a role. So if I click on role, since I'm admin, so it is automatically I'm already associated with the admin access, which is out of the box. But for additional, I need to create a roles. So let's if I will go into the roles and permission, and so here you can create a new role. Once you will create a new role, let's say demo, and then you click apply. You can put some descriptions here. Then you can associate the users with the demo role. Sorry. Uh, so so let's say that that person has been logged in. Once you click on assign, you will associate that person with the demo role. I'm sorry, this is a little slow. And then you will select that person. Since I'm admin, so I do not need any special permission, but just for demo point of view, you will click assign. So now I am associated with a demo role as well. And now demo role, since it is a new role, so nothing has been associated with this role yet. So you need to give a access for the demo role. So here you will have to select the context. So context will be either the organization level or at the site level. So in organization level, let's say you click on organization level, then you will see the permissions which you can give at the organization level. It means that it's common for all the sites. A sandbox may have multiple sites, so it's common for all. So for example, you can give that person a data replication, or the site access, and all the necessary permission, and all of this is at the organization level. So it will be common for all the sites. You can give him the read access or the write access. It all depends. That you just need to click the checkbox, and that permission will be given is associated with that role. If you if you change the context, you say that you want to give the site level access, and let's say ref. If you click on this, so now it's at the site level. So at this moment you are giving that permission, you are giving a permission, at the site level. So you can access the products for a ref arc, you can access the content for the ref arc site, right? So that's how you are giving up, you are giving up permission in a given role. You can also give the functional permission, web dev permission, local price adjustment, customer CSR level permissions, and you also need to select the context and the sites. Ultimately, at the end, you are giving the permissions at the for the demo role. Now, when you are assigning that demo role to the user, that user is getting all those permissions. So, in a real world, uh, admin creates multiple roles based on the business need, and then they associate internal users with one or more of those roles. The one user may have multiple roles. It depends, because I may want to access the content. I want to access the catalog as well, but some people want to access only the content or only the promotions, right? So that's how you, as an organization, you need to manage, you need to create a role, and then you need to give the necessary permission to a necessary role. Do not try to give all the permissions to one role. Try to make it separate, so that you can easily distribute it among the internal users, and then you need to associate those roles with the given users. As I said, if you want to give the full permission, give him the admin access through the account manager. But if you want to give a non-admin access, then you need to create these roles and associate those users with those roles. And this exercise you need to do on each sandbox wherever you want to give the access. For example, certain users will be, you want to give the access on the production, but certain user you want to give the access on production as well as on staging, right? So that's how, it's not like that you are creating the role in staging and they are automatically getting the access on the production. You need to do this exercise on each sandbox wherever you want to give him non-admin access. It mainly, you will see this exercise on the PIG environment, especially on staging and production environment, because you do not want to give everyone admin access on the staging, production, and development area. Hey, there you want to give, take some control, where merchandising team has access on the staging, but they don't have access on the production. I'm just saying, right? Or means you will not give the production access to everyone, and you will not give the admin access on production to everyone, right? Or same thing on staging. So please have a look of this area, and make yourself comfortable, uh, because it's a pretty important area for the admin who manage the business users. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.